Welcome to our channel. Now I would like to show you how to clean the microphone in a phone. To begin the process for the Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 model, the very first step you must take is to completely turn off the mobile phone. It is absolutely essential that the device is fully powered down and the screen is dark before you attempt to start the procedure. Once you have confirmed that the power is entirely off, we can then move forward and proceed with the next steps of the operation. There is one microphone here. In this specific model, there is only one single built-in microphone located right here. It's a small hole that simply needs to be cleaned. The most effective tool for this task is either a brush with long stiff bristles or a specialized semicircular shaped brush with bristles. And if you don't happen to have one of those available, a standard regular toothbrush with soft or medium bristles can also serve as a perfectly suitable alternative for you to use. And it can be used for this purpose. And besides that, you'll need ethyl alcohol. If you don't have ethyl alcohol, then use spirit. In the worst case, nothing else will work, because if the alcohol percentage is too low, it won't fully evaporate. Or it might simply cause a short circuit. So unfortunately, it has to be either one or the other. And of course, toothbrushes. First, we soak the toothbrush thoroughly with alcohol. We take the phone in our hands so that we can see the little hole. And we go over it a few times. Don't worry about any liquid getting in there because it's alcohol, so it will evaporate quickly and nothing will happen to anything inside. And a few times in one direction. We try, then in the other direction, then to the side, one side, then the other side. Just like that, every side, to clean the little hole as thoroughly as possible. And then the microphone simply has free access to the air, so it can easily pick up what is being said and just capture all of our speech. We try about 10 to 15 times in each direction. Sometimes you need to dip the brush 2 or 3 times if the microphone hole is very dirty, so you can take a quick look at how it looks. In my case, it's not that bad. But like I said, do it a dozen or so times in each direction. And then we'll have a completely clean microphone. But what if someone doesn't have this kind of brush, or a nice round one that's just perfect for that? When it comes to cleaning, you can simply use a soft bristle toothbrush for the job. And then just brush it back and forth. One way, the other way, side to side, one side, the other. Keep going until the microphone hole is clean, and then there won't be any problem. This microphone was picking up everything, and maybe that's why it wasn't working. After finishing the operation, set the phone aside for about 10 minutes so that all the ethyl alcohol can evaporate so we don't have any problems with hearing or volume, so nothing happens to it. So just calmly set it aside, wait 10 minutes, and only after those 10 minutes can you turn the phone on, and it will be fully functional. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.